get ready with us to go run with Lil John. Actually, we're going to be the ones running, and he's going to be, I don't know if he's DJing. So we're here in New York with Peloton, and they invited me and the man to go to one of their live workout classes, and of course, it's running. So let's put a fit on.
Lulu half zip up and Lulu shorts.
I'm gonna do my Vitality leggings because I know that they stay up when I run. The most annoying thing in the world is when you have on workout clothes when you're running. Not that boring?
What?
You're yawning. I'm also gonna do a Lulu little jacket. The thing is, the class is literally, oh my gosh! Literally every time I start talking, you yawn. So the class is like the Peloton class where if you have a treadmill at home, literally watch us live running and then it forever lives on the platform. I really hope they don't put us in like the front row. Okay, what are you doing for sneakers? Gonna run in your Asics. I'm wearing my Solomons. Great form, yeah. Actually working with Peloton all year long, which is such a huge deal for me and also the big girl community. Because listen, girls with tummies like this, we work out. Wait, like this.
Running that hard?
Like this. Wait, jog next to me so we can see what it looks like next to each other. Time for us to walk over to the class, so stay tuned on how it goes.